Okay. This video here is brought to you by Mike D's Washer and Dryer Repair. What I have for you is I have a General Electric washer that has a bad bearing, and this is what it sounds like.